More details coming in on the CBI probe in Sushant Rajput death case. What we are being told now is that the CBI's focus on the on Saturday now will be on mapping the sequence of events which had taken place on between June 13th to 14th. Remember, forensic experts have already the CBI has already got a lot of evidence and the case files from the Mumbai police yesterday. Now forensic experts will go through this evidence. They are also likely to summon Siddharth Pithani and Dipesh Sawant, the flatmates of Sushant Rajput, who are also likely to be questioned by the CBI in this investigation. Remember, they had questioned the house help yesterday as well as the house manager. So this is the latest we are getting on the Sushant Rajput case, where we can in fact see is now that the forensic experts will be looking at some of the evidence which had been collected by the CBI with regard to the Sushant Rajput death case. Let me go back to my colleague Sandhya Gora on this. Sandhya, so day 2 of CBI's investigation in Mumbai, where we can in fact see that a lot of evidence which has already been collected by the CBI from the Mumbai police yesterday now is going to be examined, and also the statements which they have collected, which they have recorded yesterday of the house help and the house manager, that is now going to be in a way matched with the statements which had been recorded earlier by the Mumbai police.
Yes, absolutely, Tanima. And not just Neeraj's statement, all the other people who were present in the house at that time, Siddharth Pithani, Dipesh Sawant, Keshav, all these people's statement will be, as you rightly mentioned, matched by their statements given to Mumbai police, whether or not there is any variation, whether their stand remains the same, is there anything which raises any questions or not. So that's going to be important. And now CBI teams are already in the possession of the statements given to Mumbai police by different witnesses. So they are in a position to compare the statements. And after that, there's a possibility of recreation of the crime scene as well, Tanima. And that's going to be an extent that, see, recreation of crime scene is actually an extensive process. It will be interesting to see that what part of and to what extent CBI will go ahead to recreate the crime scene. It can be from the beginning itself, from the moment the people in the house realized that Sushant was not responding, or they can pick up somewhere from the middle when the police arrived. All those things are, of course, yet to be decided by CBI, but there's a possibility of recreation of crime scene. But one thing which they will be doing is visiting Sushant's place for not only the recreation, but also to study the crime scene, to get the details, to match all the details mentioned in Mumbai Police's Panchnama. So that is there as far as CBI's plan of action for today is concerned. Tanima.